not only affect us, it is one that we hope can bring benefits and opportunities to our partners across the world. This is also why we play an important role in providing development financing through the Saudi Fund for Development, for example. But our support goes beyond development finance. And all of the tools available to us, we know the most powerful tool is commercial investments, which can act as a catalyst funding for other key initiatives. And Saudi Arabia has long been a significant exporter of capital, including through the investments of our leading companies and our sovereign wealth fund. The numerous companies that are here with us can bring with them a strong, proven set of capabilities and track record. They can help you grow bigger, faster, and become more profitable to achieve the vision that you have laid before us. So this gathering provides a wonderful opportunity for them to develop a deeper understanding of the great opportunities available for investment in Pakistan and to learn about related regulations, requirements, and incentives. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, I am certain that Saudi Arabia and Pakistan across both public and private sectors can take our partnership to the next level. And by enhancing our current efforts, we certainly will. Now, before I conclude, and on behalf of our delegation, I wish to convey once again our sincere appreciation to the government of Pakistan for receiving us. Such a warm welcome and receive. We really appreciate that. And with that, I thank you all very much for your attention, and we look forward for a fruitful day and hopefully more visits to come. Thank you all very much.